All right, what's going on with these Banx management ads? I'm seeing them fucking everywhere. Is it just me or are you guys seeing them everywhere as well? I decided to read one day, and based on their offer, I was like, that sounds sus as, so I thought I'd make a video about it. So essentially, they're claiming to be a massive OnlyFans management agency based in Australia, and they're saying you purchase their license, and they will set you up an agency from zero, get you 10 models a month, they'll get you a whole VA team, they'll get you the chatters, they'll get you marketing and all that. And all you do is pay them a fee and then an ongoing commission, I think. And then, look, as soon as I saw them say that they will get you 1 to 10 models join your agency every month from zero, the alarm bells went off. Because I don't know if you have experience in this game or not, but it gets pretty complicated when you start managing more than 3 models, because you need a whole team of VAs. Then you're going to start needing managers to manage those VAs, and then you're going to have to manage all the chatters. And if you were just starting out and you don't even know what software like Inflow is or an HD Tech web browser is, you're in for a world of trouble if suddenly you start getting 10 models a month. You will drown in success and you will crater and fail. So as soon as I saw that, I thought, well, that's really strange, because anyone with experience would know how much goes into that. And so that sounds really dumb. If you're telling someone who has no experience and then suddenly they purchase your license fee, they're going to get 10 models a month. Now, the other thing is they said they'll set up all the back end, they'll hire the team who works from the Philippines, blah, blah, blah. And then they said $5 an hour. And I was like, that's strange, because the thing I love about hiring people from the Philippines is that you don't need to pay them $5 an hour. I pay mine 2 to 3 plus commission, depending on what their job is. So saying that you're going to hire them for $5 an hour is another alarm bell, because anyone with experience would know that you can hire them for much less than $5 an hour. You could hire someone from the US for $5 an hour. And that is why we don't hire people from Western countries, because, let's be honest, we'd rather pay them as little as possible. And the beautiful thing about the Philippines is that the exchange rate is fucking massive, so paying them $2 to $3 an hour is an actual livable wage for them. So that was the other thing I thought, that's pretty weird. So anyway, I started looking into it a bit more, and then it just gets even weirder. So, okay, so on this ad, there's a couple of comments I can't see. There's an angry face there, so someone's not happy. So that was their offer, all right? That's their offer. And now we'll dig into their credibility. Let's see who they are. So I thought I'd go to the YouTube channel. Yeah, 760 subscribers, 1 like. Yeah, look, I won't hold that against you. So I thought I'd watch it. And then I started watching it and I thought, that is really dumb. So I'll show you this. So check it out.
What's your favourite category of the OnlyFans?
Of OnlyFans?
Yeah, of like all the girls.
There's actually a lot of different categories. So we got it's funny, when we onboard our models, we essentially have 10 different categories where we say, all right, we've got these 10 general, I don't know them all off the top of my head. We got like these 10 general categories. We just ask them, all right, what one do you feel like you're in, so that we can promote that way? Like, for example, you've got amateur, you've got MILF, you've got like nerd girl, like cosplay girl, you've got goth girl, you've got girl next door, you've got gym girl, you've got BBW. Oh, I can't remember the other 3. That pretty much, like, you get the point. It's kind of like a lot of different categories. It's kind of mixing there. And you can go deeper as well. Like,
obviously.
Essentially, you could, and this is more for our promotional team, because the girl can't really help how she looks. But say, for example, we've got an Asian girl that's into gym. Like,
all right.
That's essentially.
Yeah, you sound really
visuals, right?
intelligent things there.
Our promotional team will go, all right, she's an Asian gym girl. So then when we promote on, say, Reddit and Twitter, they'll hammer all of like the little niches that are into Asian gym girls to promote. And also, like, the country.
What I like most is how technical he's getting on the detail.
It'll be like Australian Asian gym girl.
Right.
Oh, Australian Asian gym girl.
We target down real niche specific, and that's how we get.
Too complicated for me, man. Way too complicated for me.
Girls' accounts, even if they're never done OnlyFans before, brand new, we essentially just get them getting fans pretty much from day one.
Yeah.
Because we're targeted in our marketing, so we know that when we market them, all the men that are, just being blunt here, all the men that are into that, they'll be like, oh hell yeah, I want to subscribe. Well, done.
What? What did I just watch? Anyway, so that's what we're dealing with.
You guys have been waiting a very long time for this.
Oh, this is cool. Oh shit, I might have to watch this after. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're dealing with. So anyway, we'll check out another one. Look, I won't hold that against him. It sounds pretty like normal. Like anyone who has never, ever, ever done OnlyFans management could give the exact same answer because it's just obvious. Obviously, there are different types of girls. And then he starts elaborating, trying to sound more complicated by saying, what if she's an Australian Asian gym? Anyone who has never, ever, ever managed an OnlyFans account before could give the exact same answer because it's that vague. So I thought I'd check out another one. All right. Now, forgive me for being skeptical about everything, but I just want to point out that well, okay, I haven't seen all the videos, but you never seem to see this guy in the same frame as the girls, and the videos are always highly edited. So forgive me for being a skeptic, but I just noticed that. All right, so we'll watch another one.
Stressful enough just replying to Tinder messages, let alone everything else. So.
Oh yeah, you should see. We've got some girls that we manage with Tinder. 500 messages a day get responded to. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah,
So,
that's normal.
a question about Tinder, because I know they have certain stuff
That's
around
normal.
like soliciting.
Don't respond to messages.
and things like
That's
that. Like, how
the
do you
first
get
mistake.
around that?
Oh, we've got techniques that we use where essentially we never mention OF. We never mention the word OF, OnlyFans.
Anyway, I won't keep you watching all these videos, but notice how all of the answers, anyone who has never ever done this before, all right, okay, to be fair, if someone has no experience, they might not know how lucrative dating apps are, so maybe. But still, like, I don't know, there's just not a lot of detail going on there. They sound really dumb. And anyway, as I said, I'm a little bit of a skeptic, but you never seem to see them in the same frame. They're always highly edited. I don't know. Look, it could be real. I don't know. I'm just skeptical about everything. So, yeah, so that's what you're dealing with. And then I went on their website. Now, let me just say that if someone's on Forbes, don't be that impressed. Even when I eventually get on Forbes, don't be that impressed. You can literally just buy your way in there. So I'm just going to say that now. Okay, so I checked out the website, licensing opportunity, cool. All right, and then I was looking at prices. 22 grand, what the fuck? No wonder you're overpaying your Filipino VAs by $3 an hour. Because damn, you've got 22 grand to play around with, plus an ongoing royalty fee. All right, so we'll take this at face value, all right? So at face value, we'll dissect this based on what they are saying. They want to give you 10 models a month, okay? Well, that is just a logistical nightmare if you're just starting out. You will drown in success, even if that is true. Then they're going to charge you 22 grand. Okay, franchise fee. Look, who's to say what is and what isn't an appropriate price for a franchising fee? So I don't know. That's just fucking, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'll build you an agency personally myself for 22 grand, maybe. An ongoing royalty fee, all right? So you have models, and then when you manage them, you'll take about 50% of their revenue from OnlyFans. They get the other 50%. That's the pitch. And then on top of that, after you take your 50%, then they're gonna slug you another royalty fee on top of that. So I thought, all right, so what's that all about? And then I went to check out their Instagram to look up pricing. And it says it here, all right? So you got the case studies. Is this the one? Is this the one? No, that's not the one. They went to check out pricing. All right, so their pricing, team branding, shout outs. Boom, what the 50%? So 40% of your income, then 25%. So basically the more you make, the less percentage they'll take, but it maxes out. So the best deal you'll get, in a best case scenario that you're absolutely killing it, you'll give 20% of your income. So that means based on what they are saying, you will manage these models, you will take 50% of the OnlyFans revenue, and then after that, if assuming you're doing really well, everything they say is true, and you're making a killing, assuming that is the case, assuming everything is true, then after you take your 50% of the model's revenue, you will then give them 20% of that 50%. So, and then assuming you're paying chatters, because you'll have to, I'm not sure what they're talking about, they're saying $5 an hour, but any good chatters you should pay based on commission, because then you incentivize them to do better. So then you're also paying them commission. See what I mean? So even if everything they're saying is true, It looks like a ripoff, but what I'm saying is that I think they're full of shit. So anyway, I'll wrap it up there. Look, I could be wrong. They could be this massive agency. I don't know. But look, I've been watching their YouTube videos, or his YouTube videos, and I am not convinced. I'm not convinced. So anyway, that's it for the Mythbusters series. Now, a little side note. I want to do a video on this, but I'm not sure. I don't have enough evidence yet. But a little birdie came down and told me that apparently this OF automation dude, he's changed his name to Date God or something. Apparently, he made a video that said, I'm in Bjorn's Discord and he doesn't know. And then all of a sudden, all these fake Instagram accounts of me are circulating, trying to sell the content within my Discord. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's it. So there you go. So look, that's just what I think. I showed you everything. I showed you their pitch, their Instagram. Don't worry about Forbes, you can just pay for that. Their website and the YouTube videos, you can make your own decision. I'm just saying, based on everything that is presented before me, I think it's full of shit. And even if it's true, looks like a ripoff. So that's it. If you like it, if you like the video, smash a comment down below, smash the like button. Let me know if you want me to do any other Mythbusters videos on anyone in particular. And as usual, as I said, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.